So that was both the cross and then the redirect. Still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. So, you know, convicted killer Lori Daybell, she just can't help herself when she asks questions. And even if she makes a point, she also follows it up with a comment or a sigh or some sort of reaction.
This is why they tell you, even if you're an attorney, you don't defend yourself, right? They say that an attorney who defends himself has a fool for a client, right? And that's attorneys. That's people who've actually been in a courtroom, who actually know what they're doing, right? That's why you talk to attorneys. Hey, I have an attorney. Well, you're an attorney. Well, you can't represent yourself. But here's a person who is completely out of her depth, completely unprepared for this, and not exactly the most sane person in the world, and a person who was convicted for murdering her children and the ex-wife for her, the former wife of her current husband, right? And she's trying to do it. Obviously, she's not going to be dealing with a full deck. You can see in the way she's conducting it herself that the judge is giving her a lot of leeway in this case. The judge is very annoyed and very irritated. If you ask any judge, what's the biggest irritant to the court system, and they'll tell you a pro se person, whether it's a criminal case or otherwise. So, yeah, she's absolutely not doing a good job. She's doing a terrible job. I think we all know she's probably going to get convicted, innocent until proven guilty, but she's not exactly acquitting herself properly.
Oh, yeah. Not at all at this rate, but we're continuing to watch. Again, court is dark there in that courtroom in Phoenix, Arizona, and they will start up again next week. Michael Jaafar, thanks so much for your analysis.